This is an apple tart, but not just any regular apple tart. This is Phyllo dough apple tart with almond cream or frangipane. And it sounds very difficult and fancy, but it's so easy to make and it's so delicious. First, we need to make an almond cream. Very simple. We mix all ingredients together and cover it with the plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for a few hours. But even better if you make it a day before. As you can see, very simple. Not very complicated, right? So now we need to make a tart. So take your Phyllo dough, defrosted of course, take your tart form, oil it, and now start layering your Phyllo. Make sure that ends of the Phyllo hanging from the form. And oil every sheet of Phyllo. I used grapeseed oil. You can use melted butter, whatever to your taste. So after you've done that, take your almond cream and put it in the middle of your tart. And now take these hanging ends of your Phyllo pastry and start rolling your Phyllo pastry. So basically you're making like sides for your tart. Put it aside for a while. Now take apples, core them and slice them, making like thin slices, and then put your slices on your almond cream. When you're done with that, put oil or butter on your dough and apples, and that's it. Your tart is ready to bake. Your tart goes to the preheated oven for about 30 minutes, and look how beautiful it is. And it's delicious, it's crunchy outside and it's soft inside. Apples are perfectly baked. You have to make this tart. It's easy and I highly recommend it. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next video.